What's going on, YouTube? Got something today in the mail. I'm going to unbox it in front of you. Now, these are interior parts for my 2016 Mustang. They're carbon fiber. They parts that go on the door, or where you grab the door to close it and open it. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Found these on eBay, and I want to see the quality of these things. These things are not packaged very well. As you can see, there's really no protection from these things getting smashed or crushed. But there they go. Looks like a pretty good looking part. So this sticks on the door with double-sided tape. It's got a lot of tape. That's a good thing. I like that it has tape. This is a really thin tape. I'm kind of thinner than the tape that I used on the rocker winglets. Here's the other side. This may possibly be the passenger side, but wow, these things look really good. For it being little eBay parts, these I got for around 60 shipped from China. Obviously all this crap is all China, but yeah, this tape is very thin. Wondering how that would actually work. Wow, I've never seen double-sided tape that thin, but you know, we'll see if it works out. I'm going to get in my Mustang and we'll take a look at them and see how they look. I'm going to test fit them before. I want to see the fitment and see how they work, but I like how they look. They look really good. Let me try to zoom in on the weave of these things. Now, surprisingly, these are Chinese-made eBay parts that I'm going to put in my car. I'm trying to get the car ready for a car show, the Fabulous Ford's Forever show here in California. I'm going to pause the video and we're going to run downstairs to the Mustang and let's see how they go. So I'm a big fan of carbon fiber. Obviously, you can see the keychain. This I got on eBay too. It protects the keychain because my keychain was pretty thrashed. The buttons and everything were all scratched up. The chrome that goes around was pretty scratched up. I don't have a link for this right here, but I can look around if somebody wants to get this. You know, I'll go ahead and look that up for you. But here are the door pieces. I'm gonna, like I said, pause the video. I'm gonna go downstairs and we should see how they look, and then I'll show you how they look installed. Stand by. All right, guys, so we're back at Mustang here, and this is where these parts are gonna stick to. Now, the number one thing when using double-sided tape is you want to prepare it for it can stick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to get this nice and clean. That way it has a nice smooth surface to stick to rather. So I'm going to go ahead and clean both of these. I've got a lot of carbon fiber goodies in this car already that I've actually installed, and they've worked out pretty good so far. So we're going to continue the carbon fiber theme on my Mustang and see how it looks. So stand by. Alright, guys, so continue on the video here. I'm going to test fit it, and it looks like it actually fits pretty good. I don't see... Oh yeah, test fitting them. This is going to look really good. Let's go ahead and apply it. So what I did is I let the alcohol that I used to clean this off, get any oils or what have you off. They could stick to this pretty good. Let's go ahead and slap them on, and I'll show you guys how they look. Stand by. Alright, guys, so guys, here it is installed in the car. Let me open the door, and you can see, actually, there we go. The camera was not focusing, but you can see the fitment it's spot on. And I'm very happy with these. Actually, these were $65 from China. You know, cheap Chinese carbon fiber parts, but it works. I'm wondering how long this clear coat is going to last on here, but it's inside the vehicle, so it's not going to be exposed to the elements. And there's the passenger side there. So I Really like this. This looks really good, actually. Very happy with this. So like I said, it's continuing my carbon fiber theme all over the car. I've got a few carbon fiber parts that I've actually picked up from eBay, actually. And they've been pretty good so far. So there you have it. My interior is just about complete for now until I start getting probably leather seats in this car. I got a base model. I didn't want to, spend the extra money on getting the premium editions and or navigation. I use my phone for navigation. But back to this. There it is. There's the parts installed. The double-sided tape was good enough. I thought it wasn't going to stick, but it's sticking. There it is right there. So carbon fiber eBay crap, but it works. I like how it feels. It's nice and smooth, and it looks good. Putting it up, opening the door, if you could see it on the sun. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is going to look good for the show. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.